Good morning, everyone. My name is Dorothy, and I learned about M.E.E.T ministry by my friend Dr. Eva Barrett. When I found out that I have thyroid mass, and I did the investigations, and I later found out that I have abnormal cells. So after talking with my doctor, he wanted me to do surgery. So I decided I want to do holistic treatment. No one in my family was really agreed with me, but that was what I wanted. So I was having some treatment with a holistic doctor, but she was in Jamaica and I was in Jersey, so it was long distance. So I did not really get what I really wanted. I didn't get the benefit from it. But I was talking with my friend Dr. Eva Barrett, and she suggested M.E.E.T ministry. Before that, when I told her that I was doing the holistic treatment, she said yes, that was what I would do if it was me. And she asked me, where am I doing it? And I told her, and she said, no, you should come to M.E.E.T ministry. So I said, where is that? And she said, in Tennessee. So I already make the arrangement with my holistic doctor in Jamaica, pay the money and everything, because I was doing the treatment. So I have to follow up with that treatment because I already make the arrangement. And she said, oh no, you're just going to mess things up. So I finished the treatment. It was nothing compared to what I've got at M.E.E.T ministry, I'm telling you. So she said, you have to come to M.E.E.T ministry. So I was kind of reluctant. And she said, what are you worrying about? So, because I was doing so many things before, she said, you're worrying about the money, don't worry, God will provide. And so I'm so happy that God really provided the funds for me to be here. So I want to give God thanks, and I want to say thanks to Sister Eva Barrett. Thank you so much, sister. Since I've been here, the fellowship, the love, the joy, the spiritual food, and everything that I receive from the staff here at M.E.E.T ministry, I cannot express how much I've been blessed. And I mean from everyone, everyone. I have to stress that, everyone. Sister Alicia, the Jacksons, Sister Trish, Sister Claudia, my therapy, Brother Michael, Brother Blan. Oh my God, I'm going to miss his jokes. From everyone. It's so wonderful. I can truly say like Jacob, surely the Lord is in this place. And I realized that the treatment that I was getting before was nothing to what I receive here. And I already found out that I've seen blessings, healing, both spiritual and physical healing. And I'm sure by the grace of God, I am going to get greater healing. Because the Lord has promised in His word that He will perfect whatever concerneth me. He will not forsake me because His mercy endured forever. And I hold on to those promises. God bless M.E.E.T ministry and all the staff. And I pray that you keep up the good works. And I can tell anyone out there listening to my voice, come to M.E.E.T ministry. It is the best. You're getting the spiritual food as well as the physical food. Thanks for everyone. To everyone, I mean everyone. Everyone. To God be the glory. I'm here.